Okay, Dr. Hubner, I'm here with Rob, and Rob has been kind enough to show everyone his results at 9 months. So he still has a couple more months to go in terms of his final result. He's also had 2 prior procedures. One was an FUE and 2 FUE procedures before we got to him. So his donor, unfortunately, was a little bit thinned out. But overall, Rob, and I'll put some before and after pictures on there, I'm seeing some big improvements from Rob in his frontal profile and also in his crown, where we focused the majority of his grafts. But Rob, tell us about your experience and how you feel about your results so far.
It was good.
Awesome.
This is a lot better than it was before.
Yeah.
And anybody that wants to get FUE, I say no.
FUE is good for maybe certain people, but for someone that's in number 3 or more, it doesn't really pan out. So yeah, take it from Rob. So how about the scar on the back? Any issues with that?
None whatsoever.
Awesome. I'm gonna have you put your chin down to the chest. We'll show you in real time kind of how it looks. And Rob, for the most part, would be, these grafts are really kind of all he has up top, and he has a little bit of natural hair, I should say, and then good. And then we'll do one from the side profile. We'll do left. Perfect. Much improved on the side. Excellent. And then we'll do the right. Perfect. Cool. And then I'm going to come around, Rob. I'm going to show you the crown, because the crown was one of the biggest areas he wanted to focus on. And I'll put some befores and afters again, but his crown is really coming along here. So he really had no hair to speak of in that area. And now he has a nice, 30% or so, probably a little more. He has a thinner hair type, but it is awesome to see the that contrast between the area and his donor and the area in the crown is sort of getting narrower and narrower as every month that goes by. So, Rob, how was your experience with the staff and the follow-ups? And
couldn't say anything better.
Awesome,
especially a doctor that calls you.
and again, all our patients have our phone numbers, our cell phone numbers, so if there's any issues. Thanks again, Rob, for showing people, and looking forward to seeing your final result.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our HUE and HUE Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.